What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2022 Toyota Camry. First thing we're going to do is open the key up like that, fling the key out. Now we're going to take off this back cover, and I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, a little one, to do that. But right here is where you're going to pry up on it. You can see there's a little slot. It's kind of hard to see in the video, maybe, but once you have it in your hand, you'll be able to see it. But it's right here in the corner. I'm going to stick the screwdriver in the corner right here and just pull up on it, and you'll see how this thing kind of it all separates and things like that. You just take this cover right off. Got a rubber weather seal. You're gonna pull this off and don't forget about it. And here's the battery, okay? Just notice that the positive sign is facing towards you, and the battery size is a CR2032. There'll be a link down in the description box below for some new batteries if you need to pick some up. They just take you right to Amazon, make it nice and convenient and easy for you. Now there's a little hole right here in the corner, okay? That's gonna allow you to pry the battery out. Okay, just hold on to the battery because it will come flying right out. Okay, so here we go. Here's the battery. We're gonna pretend like this is a brand new one. I don't have a brand new one, but we're gonna pretend like it is. Just get your new one, stick it in here, push it down in here. Don't forget the rubber weather seal cover, and click it all back together, and you are done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you'd liked, subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.